Let's see.
Yeah, they're quarter 20. The one thing I learned with SMC fans, you never put the screws all the way in.
Uh-huh.
Because you want to ring a fire.
Yeah, unless you want pop, 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 when you go to test the motor.
I don't know if I went down all the way or not, but whatever.
That's a 4-speed controller.
I think I only went to 3. Whoops. Oh, thing hauls.
Why do you think I put it over my bench?
Good choice,
This is
really.
the perfect fan to have. They're small, directs the air right down on top of you.
Whoa! How come my Saga spinner won't go that fast?
This is not a Caribbean breeze.
I gotta change your capacitor in mine.
That thing hauls ass. You ever been to Jamie's Flea Market out in Amherst?
I've heard of it.
There's about 6 of these in there, and they're always
cool.
running on high.
Nice.
There's, no, I'm sorry. 2 or 3 of these in white, I think a couple brown ones, and there are Demcos throughout
Okay.
the place, like 48-ish.
My arms are going to go numb watching the coast down.
And you know what? They'll last another 4 years. I'm sure.
Oh, are you kidding me? I mean, they're dirty, but they work. Boy, do they work.
I think Nate got the other Caribbean breeze.
Hey, are you getting rid of this fidget spinner? This really big fidget spinner?
You know what? I would love to put that on a ceiling fan motor. I really would love to try that. But that actually goes to an Everest
Other
to
side.
part.